Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's session of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India, dated August 8, 2023. Before we go ahead, I would like to give a small disclaimer that registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASIL, and certification from NISM is no way guarantee performance of the intermediary, provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in security markets are subject to market risk, and read all the related documents carefully before investing. So, without taking your much time, I'll start with Nifty 50 chart analysis. In the last few weeks, at the end of July, you see Nifty almost touching the 20,000 mark. After that, it came under some selling pressure. And during the last week, it reached its 21 DMA as well. And even the distribution day count, that is the D-day count, also increased to 4. So people who are new to the William O'Neill structure, to gauge market weakness, we track the distribution day, and when distribution day increases, it shows sign of weakness in the market. Distribution day is nothing but when market index such as Nifty or Sensex falls by more than 0.2% on volumes higher than the previous day. So that count, that is the D-day count or the distribution day count, currently stands at 4, and we are currently in uptrend under pressure. If we talk about yesterday's movement, it was very muted. It was a very muted movement throughout the day. Post the gap up opening, Nifty traded in a very narrow range of around 100 points throughout the day, and during the day it found resistance near the 21 DMA. It's currently trading below the 21 DMA at the moment, and for markets to probably sustain and move higher, it has to move higher above the 21 DMA. And till the point in time, this recent rally high doesn't get reclaimed, we will not go to a confirmed uptrend. On the flip side, on the lower side, 50 DMA will act. It's expected to act as a good support for Nifty. If Nifty breaches that, and even certain broader market indices and the key moving, even sectoral indices reach their key moving average, and the distribution day count increases to more than 6, then we'll go to a downtrend. Talking about the key news, result season is going on, and Torrent Pharma came up with its Q1 FY24 result. And as you can see, revenue increased by 10.4% YOY to 591 crores. Profit increased by 6.8% YOY to 378 crores, and EBITDA margin expanded by mere 20 bips YOY to 30.5%. Uh, Godrej Consumer Product came up with its Q1 FY24 results, and the result was beat on the estimates, which is a good sign. And revenue grew by 10.4% YOY to 3,448.9 crores. Profit declined 7.6% YOY, and EBITDA margin expanded a good 240 bips YOY to 18.6%. To top that up, the board also approved a capex of 900 crores for setting up new manufacturing facilities at Tamil Nadu and Madhya Pradesh. Sobha, the realty company, also came up with Q1 FY24 results, and the revenue grew 60.8% YOY. However, the profit grew by a staggering 169% YOY, but EBITDA margins contracted 570 bips YOY to 7.2%. Tata Chemicals Q1 FY24 revenue grew 5.6% YOY, profit declined 11.8% YOY, EBITDA margins contracted 70 bips YOY to 24.7%. FIs remained net sellers yesterday in the Indian equity markets of around 1892.77 crores, while DI remained net buyers at around 1080.80 crores. So key results that are expected to be announced today are Adani Ports, Siemens, Hindalco, Aarti Industries, Data Patterns, EIH, Gujarat Alkali, Linde India, and Sudarshan Chemicals, among others, are expected to announce their results today. Talking about the global market update, yesterday US markets were in a good upswing. As you can see, Dow Jones ended higher by around 1.2%, S&P 500 by 0.9%, Nasdaq Composite by 0.6%. Asian markets are trading on a slightly flattish note. and some even in the negative territory. Shanghai Composite was trading lower by 0.3%. Nikkei is trading higher by 0.3%, and Kospi was trading higher by 0.1%. Even even your GIFT Nifty was indicating a muted opening, and the last trade around 10 minutes back was around 19,639, and previous close was very close to 19,600, 597 to be precise for Nifty. So it's indicating a muted muted to opening with a slightly positive bias. Talking about a chart of the day, the chart of the day for us is Trent, and this stock is forming a flat base on the weekly pattern. This is a weekly chart, and the other disclaimer is that the EPS is due in 2 days. 2 days, but as you can see, the stock is 6% to pivot, so it is always good to catch good stories early, and we should wait for the results. And if the results are good and the management commentary is good, and after that, if the stock breaks out on above average volume, then it can be a good sign to consider. So clear disclaimer that not, I mean, to wait till the results are out. So EPS strength for the stock is fair at 72, but as you can see, the last 4 to 5 results for the stock have been very good. ROE has been improving and it has reached 18% for the stock, which is a really good sign. Price trend is fair at 66, but as you can see, the stock is 6% pivot. And now, if the stock moves higher on with RS line moving higher, it can be a good sign. Similarly, buyer demand of A minus is very good, and you can see a prior uptrend in the stock as well, which is also a good sign. Number of fund holding for the stock have been increasing, and which is also a good sign. So going forward, I mean, the key thing for the stock the next few days is the result, and if the result is a beat on the estimates, then the stock is expected to move higher with above average volumes, and after that, if the RS line starts trending higher and the stock breaks out on above average volume, then it can be a good stock to watch out for. So thank you, and that's it from my side. And stay tuned to the space of Rebel with William O'Neill India from Monday to Friday at 8:45 a.m. sharp. Thank you.